wonderful. It was equally refreshing as it was equipping. I think we were looking forward to some time away, but also looking forward to coming away with new tips, new ideas, and a clearer vision of what we can be doing, and actually even expanding that vision and how it all fit together with people that we have new friends that we enjoy working with.
Yeah, and it was incredibly inspiring and motivating to be able to sit down one-on-one with the founder and the CEO and to feel so appreciated and also equipped to be able to make it to the next level in our businesses. So it's been pretty incredible.
Yeah, it was powerful to know that where we are is normal and it's part of the process, and other people have been there and done great things, and there's many other people at the same place right now launching to do great things.
Leadership school for us has been incredible so far. I mean, this is the last day and we're sad that it's ending. I mean, just all the different people that you're able to come into contact with, and just to, I mean, all have the common goal, you know, to end the trend. And to just, I mean, this kind of business is just all a matter of relationships, and the people here are just incredible. They're like family to us.
We just love the people that we hang out with our NeoLife family, and this leadership school experience has just meant a lot to us because we've been able to not only learn better things about how to be a better leader, but also just build relationships with people that we want to hang out with on a continual basis. And so doing fun team building stuff, as well as just getting to know people one-on-one, being able to sit down with Kendra and Jerry was awesome for us because, you know, they were able to cast vision to us and us express to them what we want to do in our business. So it's really been a lot of fun.
Well, and gaining the wisdom from, I mean, like Kendra, Jerry, I mean, Josh, I mean, you can't put a price tag on that.
This was our second time here at the Brassfield Winery for Leadership School, and it is by far one of the most incredible experiences ever. I just love, obviously, the hospitality of Jerry and Kendra and their entire team here at the Brassfield Winery. And I just also appreciate all the relationships that we were able to make when you are growing and you're learning from one another and hearing from one another. It's a gift. And to just be in that environment with some close friendships is very special. And the NeoLife team just gave us so many tips and tools for how to grow our business and really encourage each other and set visions and goals for your business and be focused. And they're just, it's hard to sum up how wonderful it is.
We do truly feel pampered. You come to this event and everyone just goes the extra mile. The setting is absolutely beautiful. The tools that we really got exposed to for the first time, and some of the different sessions that they gave us really made us realize how easy it is to build this business. And I feel like they really empowered us, and nothing could be, you know, Kendra and Jerry and Josh and just all of them inspiring us. I just feel like the camaraderie that was built, the vision that was given to us, and the purpose behind what they're doing, and understanding more intimately what they're about was super empowering. And so I'm really excited to be able to go back and share this with a lot of my team, and then get a lot of people here, because once you've been to leadership school, you really don't have any excuse not to go out and change people's lives.
Changing lives. Everybody that I speak to that comes aboard, their lives change, and that's what it's all about for me, is seeing people's lives transformed. And my future looks bright. I can't wait to have unlimited income, to be able to write those six-figure checks to whoever I want, when I want, how I want.
And so I just see the way that Kendra and the company, and with Josh and and with our team leader, Louis Smith, we see the future as being extremely bright, and we can't wait to see that six-figure income that Debbie talked about.